Hello everyone on this beautiful Saturday. So we have very big news on Ethereum, and to be honest, let's examine Ethereum because I think that it could potentially at some point become a much more superior coin than Bitcoin, and whether it's going to actually pump in a short-term perspective. We're going to take a look at the chart as well. So if you're into Ethereum or into cryptocurrencies, you really want to watch this video. But before we talk about all of this, as there is something very important happening, that is that Coinbase currently is enticing users. Before we get to Ethereum, I just want to really mention this really quick. Is enticing users to switch from USDT to USDC. Crypto firm says recent events put some stable coins to the test. And this is, there's a lot of conspiracies and conspiracy theories going around right now, the internet, saying that, what is this all about? What's hiding behind this? Is Tether insolvent and etc.? Is there is a big problem? And to be honest, let me just give you in 10 seconds my personal opinion on this. And I told you this before, that do I think that Tether is going to fall like tomorrow? And the answer is most likely not, because if it's going to happen, then the whole crypto industry is going to be set back like 10 years back, because it's going to have, I don't know how low Bitcoin is going to go. It's going to be just, most exchanges are probably going to fail because they have so much USDT in the reserves for obvious reasons. So do I think that there is a big problem with USDT? No, but I certainly trust USDC more. I told you this before, that I trust USDC more. And also recently I wanted to just full disclosure, that's why I subscribe, hit that notification bell, and so that you're always notified when I make a new upload. And call me Mr. Spot On, because I'm always an honest guy, very straightforward. I told you that my reserves are actually kept in USDC. I told you when I converted, and also right now I converted some of the reserves from USDC also to BUSD, because they are both like super strong. So I'm keeping like 10, 15, 20% USDT for maybe some trading and just in case, but the rest is USDC and BUSD, just because I think that they're much stronger than USDT in my personal opinion. And again, transparency issues still arise for USDC and USDT, so maybe BUSD is the best, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So don't keep everything in USDT. So that's all I'm trying to say right here, and I'm gonna certainly keep you updated as to how this develops, because there is a lot of smoke around USDT right now, as it was in the previous years as well, always, but we'll find out what's going to happen. So next, let's moving on to Ethereum, and that is that Ethereum whales are accumulating over $700 million worth of Ethereum in just 2 days. So this is very bullish. There is a lot of accumulation. There is a lot. I did some analysis on the charts. You're going to be absolutely astonished when you're going to see this. But when it comes to the biggest news when it comes to Ethereum, is that it's the new upgrade is coming. And this is so juicy. This is so sexy. This is so incredible. And I'm going to explain exactly why. We're going to go through this article real quick and then jump into the charts. I'm going to show you my price targets and exactly what I'm doing with Ethereum right now. Before we do, guys and girls, we just launched with BitGet another huge campaign for only 24 hours. So if you want to be trading on an exchange that is transparent, that has over collateralized amount of reserves for you guys, so that you're absolutely safe, then use my link down in the description in this video as well as in the pinned comment, and you can claim all these insane bonuses only in the next 24 hours. So if you deposit 1,000 to 2,000, you'll get within 24 hours 50 USDT bonus. If you deposit anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000, you'll get $100 bonus. If you deposit 5,000, then you'll get $200 bonus within like 24 hours credited to your account. And also you can get a $500 bonus, real money bonus into your account, which is insane if you deposit more than $5,000 and your trading volume reaches 5 million. So, and that's actually quite easy to reach, especially if you're trading futures. So use my link down below, join right now. This is an incredible platform that actually has created a multi-million-dollar fund for FTX rescue for people who lost money in FTX. It was pretty much the only exchange that actually gave money to actually support this whole situation. So, and there, all of my friends that I know, and we were trading professionally also on BitGet. So join them right now, and this is a 24-hour limited period for bonuses. Again, join them right now. So going back to very important article. So here, and this is just, it makes me so happy, really, to be honest, because we see this actually happen. Other projects are suffering, they're dying, they have no money, they're trying to do some stupid fundraising, when Ethereum is actually following through with their roadmap, with everything that they've promised. And let's remember that they've done this merge that everybody said, oh, it was buy the rumors and sell the news type of an event. But people forgot there is going to be so many other stuff that is going to follow the merge, purge, splurge, whatever. There's going to be so many stages when it's going to actually make Ethereum really one of the most superior cryptocurrencies out there. So Merge was just laying the foundation for it. And we are seeing this continuation right now. So a tentative timeline of March 2023 has been set for the Shanghai upgrade. Yes! So which will enable staking withdrawals. So this is, again, staking withdrawals is something that I've been working on for quite some time. However, this isn't the only thing that really is important here. So let's quickly go through this article and you'll understand like how big this actually is. So Ethereum core developers have opted to prioritize enabling of staking withdrawals via the Shanghai upgrade first before implementing the surge-related Ethereum improvement proposal, which is the 4884. So if you don't know what 884 is, then it was actually expected to be packed in with Shanghai, introducing the proto-dark sharding to significantly, and the point was to actually significantly enhance layer 2 rollup scalability, which is the surge, ahead of the full implementation of the major sharding upgrade next year. So this is, what was expected to come together with it, but they decided to go for this enabling of the staking withdrawals first and then focus on the next step, which is 4884, which would ultimately scale the Ethereum network incredibly and reduce gas fees and increase the speed and all the things that Ethereum was always criticized for being too slow, too expensive, whatever. So now when it comes to the current Shanghai upgrade, according to Ethereum core developer team Baiko, at the latest Ethereum core developers meeting on December 8th, the ultimate consensus was to focus on Shanghai first to avoid on the Shanghai upgrade first to avoid any potential delays with 4884. I think it's a typo. It's supposed to be 4884. So in case if it was not ready in time. So in rundown thread on Twitter, Baiko noted that everyone agreed to seeing Shanghai happen quickly, ideally around March, following this with a fork centered around 4884. I think it's again a typo here and also here. Weird. Okay, anyway. So additionally, a set of previously agreed upon EIPs, and this is so huge because everything is happening. Guys, this is so exciting for me right now. And we're going to get to the point in just a second as well. We're going to move to the chart in just a second as well. So a set of previously agreed upon EIPs will roll out alongside Shanghai. And also, this is also very important. The list includes the 3651, the warm Coinbase. It's actually quite, it's got nothing to do with actual Coinbase, the exchange. It's pretty funny how, the name of it. And also the 3855, the push introduction, the 3860, which is limit and meter ion code and whatever. So, and also 4895, which is beacon chain push withdrawals as operations. So a bunch of stuff which, blah, 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 makes no sense. Tell me in the comments, Thomas, you're speaking gibberish because even some of the stuff even I don't understand. But nonetheless, what is most important for us right here from the list of gibberish that I just read is this right here, 3651, which is called the worm Coinbase. It's it's particularly important. It will potentially have some cost reduction benefits for the network, and it's again, it says here not to be confused with the name of the crypto exchange Coinbase in this context. It actually refers to the name of software that builders use to receive new tokens on the network. It's called Coinbase. So every new transaction on the platform needs to interact with Coinbase software multiple times. However, the initial transactions start off more expensive as Coinbase initially needs time to warm up. So basically with the new EIP implementation, which is coming with Shanghai upgrade in March potentially, this won't be the case anymore, and thus lowering gas fees when builders are interacting with it. So this is beautiful. And last but not least, after all of this is completed, the network's next major event and final part of the roadmap is going to be sharding itself. So again, scaling the network 100x and potentially making it as efficient as Visa and MasterCard, which is expected to roll out over 2023 and 2024. Which brings us to the chart, guys. And this is something you have to pay attention to. So basically, this is 2018. This is the Bitcoin chart. And by the way, guys and girls, if you're going to be taking any trades on Ethereum, we're going to be posting them in our free Discord channel that you can join by clicking the link down in the description of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. And the reasons why you really need to join us is number one, because we're posting all of our trades so you can learn how to trade or copy our trades and make money. And reason number two is really because the members of our community, and we're like 20,000 traders in this community, can communicate with all of them. We are seeing incredible results of our members, 200% profit, 180% profit, and etc. So it's absolutely incredible what we've been able to achieve with this community, and we are building a trading army. And guys, it doesn't cost any money. So if you're into trading, come join us right now. Pause the video, click the button, and join our Discord, and then go to VIP Trades. There is an instruction of how to join us. It's absolutely free. It's an incredible place to be, and join us right now. And back to Bitcoin chart. So here you're gonna see a Bitcoin chart. It's a bear market of 2018, and the orange one is actually Ethereum. And as you can see, it was coming kind of along. It was always behind Bitcoin in terms of, price acceleration. Then when it was going down, at some point it was quite correlated, but then it actually lost power and actually traded below in terms of percentage-wise performance. But as we are seeing this, as we go along right now, we will see that Ethereum actually, percentage-wise, is oftentimes outperforming Bitcoin. So if we're gonna go to back to this chart right here, and we're gonna find something very interesting, that for example right now Bitcoin is trading at a 75% discount, while, and let's remove this, at a 75% discount, while Ethereum is trading currently at a 73% discount. And usually deep in bear markets, Ethereum would always be trading below it. And that's also an interesting observation that we can see in this chart right here. This is a relation between Ethereum and Bitcoin, and you're seeing, like, historically Ethereum has been gaining ground on Bitcoin since the inception of Ethereum, obviously 2015. So it gained this peak in 2017 based on this hype, but it didn't lose any power yet. So we have this lower low, lower low, lower low, and right now we're having this incredible flag right here that could potentially break above and make Ethereum, again, gain the ground in terms of market capitalization. As I told you before, you can call me crazy, but I think that potentially Ethereum could at some point surpass Bitcoin in terms of market cap. And people are going to say, Thomas, this is impossible. Well, really, anything is possible because it's just market cap. It depends on market sentiment and how many institutionals are going to be moving into Ethereum, because, like, for example, things like it being environmentally friendly, etc. But that's not what we care about in this video. What we care about is we want to see this relation as of right now. So this is showing market sentiment. This is showing that people have very, very strong belief when it comes to Ethereum. So, and if we're gonna go to the chart, it's just faring ever so slightly better than Bitcoin in my personal opinion. But if we're gonna be doing an analysis, a bigger analysis, that if we're gonna be taking a look at a bigger time frame, that we are certainly in this downtrend channel. We broke below it here, then we returned, we're back in it right now, and really we are forming this kind of a wedge, because here we have these rumors of the merge, then the merge happened, then it became sell the news kind of an event, but now it's slowing down. It's not even coming anywhere close to its $880 bottom of the current bear market. So right now we're just basically juggling along. Potentially we'll try to potentially break the $1,300 level right here, again, with what, depending on what Fed is going to do, whether we're going to see a pivot sometime in the beginning of next year and potentially going to have this kind of a relief rally. But then again, it depends. Everything's going to depend whether we're going to be going into a recession or not. If we're going to go into recession, then see this massive capitulation event because of Fed pivoting too late and the economy like taking a crap, then, as I've mentioned in so many previous videos, check out this video right here, a very important video that explains all of it. Then certainly Ethereum probably is going to go like sub $1,000 again, obviously. But this is the time certainly to start thinking about accumulating more and more Ethereum. As of right now, we're in this wedge, and I think that honestly we're going to keep juggling along until we see some kind of a resolution when it comes to the interest rates on the 14th, and then also a CPI on the 13th, and see what Fed is going to say and what Jerome Powell is going to say during the press conference. So until then, I'm not going to be expecting any huge price movement, but nonetheless, these kinds of things and everything that is happening, and Ethereum doing what they promised their foundation, I think that Ethereum literally in the next few years is going to go absolutely crazy to something like even potentially like $10,000. So call me crazy down in the comments, but this is what I believe, and I'm holding a lot of Ethereum. And guess what? After this video, I'm gonna go buy myself $50,000 worth of Ethereum. Guys and girls, remember about all the bonuses down in the description of this video, as well as in the pinned comment, about the only 24 hours for you to claim these bonuses over on BitGet. Also join our free Discord channel right now. Check out this tutorial as to how to trade on BitGet in a smart way using proper risk and management and proper strategies. And as always, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.